My dear students, welcome back to our Path Maths online classes. My dear students, we are doing chapter number 11, 3-dimensional geometry, and dear students, we have completed the topic in which we determine the equation of line and find the angle between them. So today we will discuss about the shortest distance in between of skew lines. So let me clarify the first of all, what is your skew lines? My dear students, skew lines are the lines which are non-parallel as well as non-intersecting lines. These will not be coplanar. जो line coplanar होती हैं, they will not be your skew. The lines which are not coplanar will be your skew lines. Actually, the lines which are coplanar will never be skew lines. They will be either intersect or they will be or parallel to each other. So in case whenever lines are skew, these will be non-coplanar lines. So we are going to find the distance, shortest distance in between of the two skew lines which are your not belonging to the same plane. So let me consider the two lines. Let this is a line, first line whose equation is given by vector r is equal to a1 plus lambda of b1 vector, and this is your second line given by vector r is equal to a2 vector plus mu of vector b2. The first line which is parallel to the vector b1, this is your parallel to the vector b1, and second is your parallel to the vector b2. And let pq is the shortest distance we want to find. P and q is the shortest distance between these two skew lines. The pq is the perpendicular on, let this point is your a, b, this is your c, d. So pq is perpendicular to AB as well as PQ is perpendicular on CD. So my dears, it's very clear that because PQ line which is perpendicular on AB as well as CD, and these AB line and CD line is parallel to vector B1 and B2, so the direction of vector PQ will be given by vector B1 cross vector B2. So the direction of vector PQ will be your B1 cross B2. Now let's see, if this is your point A1, whose position vector is your vector A1, and this is your A2, whose position vector is your vector A2 through which the line is passing, then A1, A2 will be given by vector A1, A2. This is given by vector A2 minus vector A1. The distance between A1 and A2 will be given by vector A2 minus vector A1. Now let's see PQ. If you want to find the projection of this A1, A2, distance A1, A2 on this line PQ, then this will be given by projection of vector A on B is always given by formula A dot B over B magnitude. And here we want to find the projection of A1, A2, projection of vector A1, A2 on PQ, that can be obtained by A2 vector minus A1 vector dot B1 vector cross B2 vector and divided by B1 cross B2 vector magnitude. And whole magnitude we need to take because this is your shortest distance which never be negative. So this is the formula to find the shortest distance in between of the given two skew lines, and where A1, A2 are the position vector of the lines through which the lines are passing. A1 is the position vector of the point through which the first line passes. A2 is the position vector of the point through which the second line passes. B1 is the direction ratios or the direction of the first line. B2 is the direction of the second line. So all the things we will have, and so we have to just put down the value of B1, B2, A1, A2 in this given formula, and we'll find the shortest distance which is denoted by small d. So this is the way in which we can find the shortest distance in between of the two skew lines. So my dear students, if lines are parallel, then what will happen? If you want to find the shortest distance or want to find the distance between the two parallel lines, then this will be obtained through the formula I am telling to you, given by shortest distance between two parallel lines is given by vector B cross a2 vector minus a1 vector upon vector b magnitude, and whole magnitude to be taken, because if lines are parallel to each other, both lines are parallel to each other, it means both will be in a same direction, will have the value of vector b as equal in both the equation of lines. तो दोनों के अंदर इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन सेम मिलेगी, सो वेक्टर बी सेम होगा, दैट्स वाई, और दे विल बी प्रोपोर्शनल टू ईच अदर, सो यू हैव टू पुट डाउन द वैल्यू ऑफ वेक्टर बी एंड a2 and a1 which will be given to you. Now dear students, as I have told you, skew lines are the lines which are non-parallel as well as non-intersecting. These two lines are belonging to different planes, दोनों अलग अलग प्लेन से belong करती है, means they are non-coplanar. So in case whenever you have to prove that the lines are coplanar, then what you will do? It means if lines are coplanar, we need to show that the lines are coplanar, then you can do the shortest distance equal to 0 if lines are coplanar. Then d will be equal to 0, and this can be given by formula x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, and this is your L1, M1, N1, L2, M2, N2, or simply this should be equal to 0, or this can also be written as x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, and your a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2, and this is equal to 0. So in case whenever lines are coplanar, it implies the shortest distance will be equal to 0, and this can be written as your x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, with a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2 is equal to 0. Let's do the question number 14, which is based on the shortest distance. 14, 15, 16, 17, all the 4 questions are totally based on the topic shortest distance. So let me do the question 14 for all of you. Let the first 14 question number is having equation of line given by vector r is equal to I cap plus 2j cap plus k cap plus lambda of, this is your I cap minus j cap plus k cap, and the second equation of line given to you as your, this is 2i cap minus j cap minus k cap plus mu of 2i cap plus j cap plus 2k cap, and we need to find the shortest distance in between of these two. First of all, my dear students, you have to check whether these lines are parallel or not. So this can be obtained through the direction ratios of the line. This is 1, minus 1, 1, this is 2, 1 and 2, and these are not proportional to each other. It implies these lines are not parallel to each other. So let me find now the direction, this shortest distance in between these two lines by using formula. D is given by a2 vector minus a1 vector dot b1 vector cross b2 vector upon b1 cross b2 magnitude, and whole magnitude as well. So where a1 vector is the position vector of the point through which the first line passes, b1 is the position vector of the line, b1 vector is the direction ratio of the first line, a2 vector is the position vector of the point through which the second line is passing, and b2 is the direction ratio of the second line. So a1 is your vector, a1 is here as your I cap plus 2j cap plus k cap, a2 vector is your 2i cap minus j cap minus k cap, vector b1 is your, this is I cap minus j cap plus k cap, and b2 vector is your given by 2i cap plus j cap plus 2k cap. So first of all, let me find the value of vector a2 minus vector a1. This is given by 2i cap minus j cap minus k cap minus I cap minus 2j cap minus k cap, and this will be equal to 2i cap minus I cap is your I cap minus j cap minus 2j cap is minus 3j cap minus k cap is your minus 2k cap. This is the value of vector a2 minus vector a1. Now what will be the value of vector b1 cross b2? This is given by i कैप j कैप k कैप. बच्चों मैं आपको बता चुका हूँ कि b1 दो वेक्टर्स की क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट जो करते हैं वो डिटरमिनेंट मेथड से करते हैं, टेकिंग i कैप j कैप k कैप एज योर फर्स्ट रो, देन the components of vector b1 will be the second row. This is given by b1 is your 1 minus 1 1 and component vector b2 will be your 2 1 2. Now expand it. This is I cap of minus 2 minus 1 minus j cap of, this is your hiding first row. Second column 2 minus 2 is 0 and plus k cap is your given by 1 plus 2 is your 3. So this is your minus 3i cap plus 3k cap. This is the vector b1 cross b2. Now we have the vector value of vector b1 cross b2 and a2 minus a1. So we will substitute this value in the given formula, and this is given by a2 minus a1 is your I cap minus 3j cap minus 2k cap dot b1 cross b2 कितना है? This is minus 3i cap plus 3k cap divided by magnitude means minus 3 square plus 3 square under the root and magnitude as well. Now this is your minus 3 minus 0 minus 6 upon 9 plus 9 under the root magnitude as well. This is your minus 9 upon 18 under the root, and this is your 9 upon 3 root 2, which is given by 3 by root 2. So this is the shortest distance in between of the given two skew lines. So dear students, you can do now the question number 15, 16, 17 by yourself as well. So this is your all about the exercise 11.2, and in the next video we will discuss about the plane. We will determine the equation of plane. How can we find the equation of plane? We will discuss in the next video. Till then you have to complete your exercise 11.2. The question number 15, 16, 17 are the same. Let me do the question number 17 for all of you. Not completely. I'll just give you the standard form in which how can you find the shortest distance. आपको मैं जस्ट उसको स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में चेंज कर देता हूँ, क्योंकि 17 क्वेश्चन में बच्चों आपको थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम आ सकती है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 17 इज गिवन एज योर वेक्टर r इज इक्वल टू, दिस इज योर 1 माइनस t इंटू आई कैप प्लस t माइनस 2 इंटू जे कैप. Next is your given as 3 minus 2t into k cap. 3 minus 2t into k cap. This is the first equation of line in vector form. And second is given as your vector r is equal to s plus 1 into I cap. Then 2s minus 1 into j cap minus 2s plus 1 into k cap. So dear students, this is not in the proper form, as vector form of equation is given by vector r is equal to a plus lambda b. So उसके लिए हम क्या करते हैं? First of all, just open the braces for the first. This is I cap minus t I cap plus t j cap minus 2 j cap plus 3 k cap minus 2 t k cap. Or this can be written as your, just take the coefficients of t on one side and remaining will be your taking together like I cap minus 2 j cap plus 3 k cap, and from the remaining terms in which t is there you can take t as common. So this is your minus I cap and this is plus j cap and minus 2 k cap. Now this is a proper form, standard form of equation of a line, which can be written as your a plus lambda of vector b. And similarly we can do it for the second as well, this one, that this is star, double star, and this is your star. So we can reduce double star equation also in the form of a plus lambda b by vector r is equal to, this is your s I cap plus I cap plus 2s j cap minus j cap minus 2s k cap minus k cap, and further it can be written as your I cap minus j cap minus k cap. The term which is not involving s is to be written together, and the remaining terms by taking s common we can write it as your like this, I cap plus 2j cap minus 2k cap. So this is your second equation of line in your standard form as a plus lambda b. So here this is a1 vector, this is b1 vector, this is a2 vector, this is your b2 vector. So a1 vector is your here as your I cap minus 2j cap plus 3k cap. A2 vector is your given by, this is I cap minus j cap minus k cap, and vector b1 is your given by your minus I cap plus j cap minus 2k cap. Similarly, vector b2 will be your given by I cap plus 2j cap minus 2k cap. So dear students, in this way you can now just use these values of a1, a2, b1, b2 in the given formula of the standard shortest distance in between of the two lines and can find your answer. So this was all about the exercise 11.2. So in the next video we will start the plane. Till then, I hope you will do all the questions, and if any problem face, then please call me or can give me the WhatsApp, whatever you face the problem. So till then, thank you and have a nice day.